Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to check your Pokemons on your Pokemon Go. So, at first, just open your phone, and as you open your phone, just open the Pokemon Go app from wherever it is located. And as you open, it takes a while to load because it depends on your internet speed, so all you have to do is just wait. And guys, as it loads, you're in this place as I am. So just stay at this place and look at the bottom middle where you can see this Pokeball. So just click it at first. And as you do that, you can see the list of options. And you can see the option Pokemon. And just click on there to open the Pokemon page. And as you open, you can just check your Pokemon, how many Pokemons you had. So guys, that's how you check your Pokemons in your Pokemon Go. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.